Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Sennheiser HD600 is probably one of the most iconic and revered headphones in the audiophile community, celebrated for its unparalleled soundstage, natural tonality, and exceptional detail retrieval, making it a benchmark for open-back listening experiences that continues to captivate discerning ears even years after its release. Number 5. Sennheiser HD599 Special Edition Headphones. Introducing the Sennheiser HD599 Special Edition. These open-back, around-ear headphones deliver exceptional audio clarity and comfort for an immersive listening experience. Featuring our ergonomic acoustic refining technology, the audio signal is precisely directed to your ear. This ensures you hear every detail as the artist intended. Designed for extended listening sessions, the large earmuffs and soft, replaceable ear pads provide a pressure-free fit. You'll only feel the music, not the headphones. With a sound pressure level of 106 dB/SPL, these headphones produce powerful and clear sound. Enjoy your music with impressive depth and detail. These headphones utilize a reliable wired connection, ensuring consistent audio quality. The included RCA plug offers versatile connectivity options. What we like. Experience immersive sound with its open-back design and ergonomic AR technology. If you prioritize comfort for long listening sessions and enjoy a natural, spacious soundstage, these are a great choice. They provide excellent audio clarity without ear pressure. What people say. The Sennheiser HD600 are a legendary pair of open-back headphones known for their neutral and balanced sound profile, making them excellent for critical listening and mixing. Their open-back design contributes to a wide and natural soundstage, providing an immersive listening experience. The build quality is robust, featuring durable materials that ensure longevity, and the ear cups are comfortable for extended listening sessions. Number 4. Sennheiser HD650 Audiophile Headphones. Experience audio like never before with these audiophile headphones. They are engineered for exceptional clarity and precision across the entire sound spectrum. Featuring specially designed acoustic silk, these headphones ensure precise damping. This results in an incredibly low total harmonic distortion of just 0.05%. Enjoy a vast range of sound with an impressive frequency response from 10 to 39,500 Hz. This allows you to hear every subtle detail in your music. Each driver element is hand-selected and matched for optimal performance. Highly optimized magnet systems minimize harmonic and intermodulation distortion for pure audio. Powerful neodymium magnets deliver maximum efficiency, ensuring a clear and dynamic listening experience. They are designed for the discerning listener who demands the best. Equipped with a 3.5mm jack plug, they offer seamless compatibility with a wide range of audio devices. Enjoy high-resolution audio wherever you go. What we like. Achieve unparalleled audio fidelity with its specially designed acoustic silk and hand-selected drivers. If you are a discerning audiophile seeking incredibly low distortion and an extended frequency range for critical listening, this is the ultimate headphone. It delivers a truly refined and accurate sound reproduction. What people say. The HD600s are a much better all-around headphone, and well worth the additional $200. Their superiority was evident from the moment I put them on and plugged them in. More bass than the 598s. Yes, but it's not unnatural in any way whatsoever. It just adds to the richness quality of the overall sound. These make everything just sound more real, and they seem to do it almost effortlessly. I have also been tricked into looking around the room for that noise I just heard only to realize it was part of the recording. The 600 range is the sweet spot of excellence. If you want super-duper separated sound with ridiculous detail with more revealing performance in the highs and mid-highs, the 600s are your go-to headphones. They're very objective, an audiophile term generally meaning as is, or unemphasized, as possible. Number 3. Sennheiser Momentum 3 Wireless Headphones. Never miss a beat with our seamless on-off and pause functionality. It plays your music faster than any other headphone, getting you into your audio instantly. These headphones adapt to your surroundings with active noise cancellation. Enjoy immersive sound or switch to transparent hearing to stay aware of your environment. Experience unparalleled comfort during long listening sessions. Soft ear pads and a headband crafted from genuine leather ensure a luxurious feel. Control your audio with ease using the simple 3-button interface. You can manage your music and calls without ever needing to consult a manual. Setting up your new headphones is a breeze. Automatic pairing mode makes connection simple and quick from the very first activation. Access your favorite voice assistant with ease. Enjoy hands-free control and information directly through your headphones. What we like. Enjoy seamless audio with smart features like auto on-off and active noise cancellation. If you need versatile headphones that adapt to any environment, offer wireless freedom, and provide exceptional comfort with genuine leather, these are ideal for your daily commute or travel. What people say. Sound, best sounding headphones I've ever owned with the most accuracy of sound. The bass is still there, but it's not overpowering. ANC, these are the first headphones I've owned where I think I actually prefer to listen in noise-canceling mode. Usually I find ANC to flatten the sound, but here I find it actually results in slightly more depth and breadth of the sound field. The soundstage is wide, I can hear everything crisply and clearly, and the bass is noticeable but not overwhelming. Number 2. Sennheiser HD650 Replacement Cable. Upgrade your listening experience with this premium replacement cable. It's designed for superior sound and enhanced durability, ensuring long-lasting performance. Specifically engineered for Sennheiser HD650, HD600, HD580, and other compatible models. Enjoy a seamless connection with your favorite headphones. Experience improved sound clarity and a more robust build. This cable is made to withstand daily use while delivering exceptional audio quality. This 3-meter cable offers ample length for comfortable listening. It features a gold-plated 6.3mm stereo plug for a secure and high-fidelity connection. Effortlessly connect to your headphones with clearly marked L and R connectors. This ensures a correct and easy setup every time. Don't let a worn-out cable diminish your audio enjoyment. This replacement brings your Sennheiser headphones back to their full potential. What we like. Enhance your listening experience with this high-quality replacement cable. If your original cable is damaged or you're seeking an upgrade for improved sound and longevity, this durable, gold-plated option is perfect. It ensures a stable connection for your compatible Sennheiser headphones. What people say. The cable connectors are good and easy to plug into my HD600 headset. Cable is heavier than the original one, and is the same length. The cable is round and heavier than the original flat cable. The original is not as sturdy and was damaged. This is a genuine Sennheiser part and is more robust than the original cable. At 10 years old, my HD600 original cable had developed a broken wire causing an intermittent loss of on the right channel. This Sennheiser cable fit my HD600 perfectly and eliminated the channel cutout that I was experiencing from the cables that originally came with the headphones. First, the new cable is a couple of feet shorter. Secondly, the cable is somewhat thicker. I like the somewhat more substantial feel of the new cable. Third, the new cable terminates in a 1.4 phone plug whereas my original cable terminated in a 3.5mm plug with a 3.5mm 1.4 adapter. Number 1. Sennheiser HD600 Headphones. Experience lightning-fast audio reproduction thanks to lightweight aluminum voice coils. They ensure every note is captured with precision and clarity. Powerful neodymium ferrous magnets deliver optimal sensitivity and outstanding dynamic range. You'll hear every nuance of your music like never before. These headphones boast a sophisticated design, elegantly finished in classic black and gray. They look as good as they sound. Enjoy a comfortable and immersive listening experience with high-quality open metal mesh earpiece covers. They provide excellent breathability and soundstage. The Sennheiser HD600 represents a benchmark in audio fidelity. Immerse yourself in pure, unadulterated sound. What we like. Discover dynamic sound with lightweight aluminum voice coils and powerful neodymium magnets. If you appreciate a headphone that offers superb transient response and excellent dynamics with a stylish, open mesh design, this is a fantastic option. It's built for detailed and lively audio reproduction. What people say. Amazing sound quality, probably the cleanest sound I've ever heard. I can't say enough good things about these if you're looking for reference headphones. Excellent sound, Good build quality, as people note the soundstage is very much in your head, but I like that for an insular intimate experience. Comfortable to wear, but relatively strong clamp force. Cable is plenty long enough for any reasonable application. Very light. Design is okay, but I prefer the marbled look. The most amazing mastering headphones for the price. Use with Motu 4 or better. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.